All right, guys. So I've heard a lot of issues going on recently here with Covenant. Covenant, I guess I wasn't having the issues, but I guess a lot of the people that were using the Fire Sticks were. So I'm going to go over a quick fix here. I guess what had happened here recently on, I want to say as early as November 3rd. The system started having some problems because they moved links again. This happens really commonly on Kodi. But I'm going to show you how to fix it and where to go ahead and get your Covenant so that it's working again. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go over to System, go down to File Manager. Now, I've already loaded it in, so I'm just going to show you the link here. Let's see. So you're just going to go ahead and type this address in, http:// arieswizard.co.uk. All right, and then I'll leave it there for a second longer so you guys can take it down or pause the video. It doesn't really matter, whichever works for you. All right, and then from there you're going to want to put in a nickname. I just put in Wizard as my nickname for it. So once you've done that, what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and back out. You're going to go into System, go down to Add-ons, go to Install from Zip File, and then you're going to go down to your link, which will be, for me, it's Wizard, and then you're going to go ahead and click and install this. Now I'm not going to do that because I've already got it loaded into my system. So you're going to click and install that. Now that'll bring you back to this page once you do that. From there, once it's kind of loaded in and installed, you're going to go to Install from Repository. You'll go to Aries Project, and then down to Program Add-ons. Now from there, you go ahead and download Aries Wizard, and you'll go ahead and it should say Install right here where it's saying Uninstall on my screen. Once that has been installed, go ahead and open it up. It's going to bring you to this nifty looking page. And again, it will take just a moment. All right, so once you're here, you're going to go over to Browse Add-ons. Go ahead and click that. Down to Video Add-ons. Click that. You're going to see Covenant right here. There's also a couple other ones like Elysium, which I haven't checked if it is working or not. I know it previously wasn't. What you'll do from there is you're just going to go ahead and say Install. Now it's going to install the program Covenant on there, but it won't have the repository, so it's going to do a follow-up question for you, which will say Install Repositories. Just go ahead and click Yes on that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit it, even though I've already got it installed. It'll just do a quick update for me. So at this point, it'll say Covenant was successfully installed, and then it'll bring up this portal testing thing. And it'll ask me to install a repository. Just make sure you say yes on that so that you get updates and stuff for your program. All right, and then once you're done with that, it has been recommended to go ahead and do a quick reset. They said unplug and reset, but this works just as well. You just go down to this little power symbol right down there in the corner where it's highlighted. Click that and click exit. And after a few seconds, I know it's always kind of slow, might be about a minute or so, it'll go ahead and close down the program. You can relaunch it, and your Covenant program should be working just fine. And I'll go ahead and do a quick demonstration for that in just a moment here. All right, so it took me back to this screen. We'll just go home, down to Kodi. All right, click into Covenant. Let's go over to a movie real quick. Not my movies. Let's go to new movies. All right, let's go ahead and boot up the new Spider-Man, since I know that's got good links. And again, sorry guys, I know that a lot of these wait screens can be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Appreciate your patience. I just don't, again, have the editing software or the patience to go do editing. So give it just a moment here. It should be done. One thing that is nice though about this is that you know that it's going to be working, and it's not going to have a problem with playing your links and stuff like that. So it's not a clickbait type of video here that you commonly see online. Just waiting on those 4K videos, guys. hoping 4K pops up soon with Kodi, because that'd be a cool feature for us. All right, let's go ahead and try it out here. Working. Hi guys. All right, so as you can see, the video is playing correctly here. I've tried it with a couple other videos as well, and it is still working just fine on here. So with that being said though, I hope this helped you guys with getting your Covenant fixed. All right, bye.